money to the store's bank. The store receives the payment. The store is happy because the sale is complete. But now something important changes. You now owe the bank that money. The bank has effectively given you a small loan. Every time you use the credit card, you are borrowing money again and again. At the end of the month, your bank prepares something called a statement. The statement is a summary of everything you bought. It lists every purchase. It shows the total amount you owe. It also shows a payment deadline. The statement may also show something called a minimum payment. This minimum payment is the smallest amount you must pay to keep your account in good standing. At this point, you have a choice. You can pay the full amount you owe. Or you can pay only the minimum amount. If you pay the full amount before the deadline, something interesting happens. You usually pay no interest. That means you borrowed money for free for a short period of time. But if you pay only the minimum payment, the remaining balance stays on your account. Now the bank begins charging interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money. It is how banks make profit from lending. Over time, interest slowly increases the amount you owe. If someone keeps a balance for many months or years, the interest can become very large. This is one of the reasons credit cards can sometimes lead people into serious debt. Now let us ask another question. Why do stores accept credit cards if banks take fees? Every time someone pays with a credit card, the store usually pays a small percentage fee. Part of that fee goes to the bank. Part goes to the payment network. Even though stores pay these fees, they still accept credit cards. The reason is simple. Credit cards make spending easier. When paying with cash, people often think more carefully about every purchase. But when using a card, spending can feel less painful. This means customers often buy more products. For businesses, that usually means more sales. That is why credit cards became so popular around the world. However, credit cards can also be risky. Because the money does not feel real when spending it. People can